Hello, hello everyone. It seems we're live. Let's get back. Okay. So, here we go. Whoop. Did I delete? I think I did something not. Yeah. We're here, right? Yeah. Great. I was thinking I just had closed YouTube tab. Okay, so let's go. Let's just make a small recap for thinking what's going on. So we're building a Livewire component, which is a stackable content editor. This editor consists on a stack of blocks per se, where each block is a Livewire component. And also this third one, but for now I'll just jump into showing the toolbar where we can click to continue typing text and you will be ready to write. You can also paste an image directly if you have it on the clipboard, or we can also add a custom block from many existing in a library. And that's it. Yeah, let's see it working. I got my terminal ready, so gonna go and start compiling. Let's hide it. I also have Ray ready to use. Here we go. It's in another screen, but that's okay. So gonna go and visit the app. And sure enough, if I visit, we have the stackable content here. And for example, if I want to continue typing some text, I'll just click and there you go. If I have an image, let's say I'll just make I have an image in my clipboard right now. So if I were to paste it here, it will directly upload it. That's it. So yeah, this feels amazing because now we have, whatever you prefer, the perspective. I mean, of course, we have content blocks in the database. We have everything ready to use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have the structured data that we can output with control on the markup very well. So yeah, I think. Oh, and of course we can add more components to the library, and that's it. We need to preview, and yeah, we'll be going from here. So I guess let's just style this component a little bit further and start thinking about the preview. And yeah, that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Okay, coming back. Let's go into views. Oh yeah, and we have to get it ready to be a package as well. So in our quick blocks menu, this is where we are. Also have some cleanup to do, but for now not the focus at all. So yeah, let's just style this component where we're pasting. So here we go. So I guess this is it. So I don't know, Biggie Blue 300. Yep, there we go. we should style it. I mean, why doesn't it have the same style as this other one? Let me check why inline. Yeah, it should have all of these, right? So attributes class x filament input. Yeah, I don't see a reason why not to have it as well. Is it contemplating the content? So where is the content coming from? But it's not here, it's on the Tailwind config. And yeah, there's also the vendor. So yeah, all the classes are here. Huh, interesting. They are just not being applied, so it seems. What if I am to put them but on this file? Will it work? Here we go. Just want to make it easier, yeah, to understand where it is. Right. So now they're on this file, they get merged, so they are doubled, and we don't get the input. Why is that? Vendor filament resources, theme CSS. All seems well, right? In the presets. Yeah. I don't know what's going on for not being able to find this. What is going on? Oh, so let me check. Is this file being included? I think so. Hey, ciao Alberto. Como vai? Are you Italian? I'm guessing yes. Nice to see you again. Welcome, welcome. How's your day going? I'm just blocking into some filament tailwind mismatch. Oh, great. Maybe you can teach me some recipes. I love Italian food. Hello, hello, Arif. Welcome, welcome. Where are you from? Where are you calling from? Welcome to the live. I hope you enjoy. So I have some issue because this CSS is not recognized, but it seems that it's getting loaded, right? It seems the filament theme is getting loaded, but for some reason it doesn't. Indonesia, Arif, welcome. Never been, would love to. Would love to visit someday. Okay. I don't know. I'm out of ideas. So if I were to put the BG red, for instance, it would work. But all these classes are not working. Why is that? Okay, maybe the PY is. Sorry, let me delete some blocks. I don't want to always be scrolling. Yeah, so we want to style this field, and I'm not sure how. It's like not finding it. How come? Because it has the custom theme already. So in the providers, right? Or maybe did I forget to add it? No. It has the... Yeah, it's here. The file is here. Did this happen to any of you? I mean, this must be something so small, but I'm not finding it. Index.play. What file is this? Render filament support. Yeah. So in the tailwind config, it should be there. I'm gonna stop the compilation. Maybe I run build to have the files really there. No, it's missing the attributes, the styles. I don't want to waste so much time here. So Arif is asking, can I ask you about Alpine component? How to properly handle upload image? Let me just hide an element in the browser because I don't see the chat. It's silly, but it's true. Okay. Yeah, so how to properly handle upload image on rich text editor, Alpine component. Oh, Arif, I'm so sorry. I don't know if I will be able to because it would take me so much time. I think if you mean in this field, right? If you are already using Filament, it must be there. I haven't done it that way, but I can show you how I've done it. So when you go to the form builder and you're using this component, it doesn't have to be in an admin panel. So you can use Filament outside an admin panel, just as a Livewire component. And if you use the rich editor, you have already image upload. So this image upload, you can configure it directly in the Filament API. So this is default behavior in the Filament component. What I've done is something else. I've just tapped into, so just used what was inside. So in a block image, there's the file upload, right? And what I've done is I know the UUID of the component. So these quick blocks, what we've done in the last stream, you can see on the, it was before yesterday episode, number 7. we with the UUID, here it goes, we wait for the UUID and we get the file from the paste, from the clipboard, and then we call a method on that component instance that we get from the UUID. Okay, so we get that element, the upload component from the UUID, and we add the image from here. So it's like I didn't do the Alpine upload. So this is Filament, and I don't know exactly how you would do it just with Alpine, or maybe expand a little bit more, because with Alpine you would need to make a Axios request to the browser, or you have to use Livewire inside Alpine. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, I cannot do it all because it will take me so much time, but I hope I helped you some way. Oh, you're saying Arif is continuing, so I can use only Filament input component outside Filament. So I can use only Filament input. What do you mean only Filament input? No, any of these fields, any of these, any, a panel, a modal, action, anything, any field, you can use outside Filament. If it's Livewire, it must be Livewire, right? It's even here, right? Adding a form to a Livewire component. And then you can do it all, like in Livewire. Hope it helps. So Alberto is asking, I didn't see what's the problem. Okay, Alberto, so the problem is, I just want to style this component. I don't remember if yesterday you were until the end, but yeah, it's very cool. We can already, I'll do a screenshot from here, and I will paste the image, and it's there. So if I were writing a blog post or an article or a content for my page, it would be ready, and this would be amazing. And it will be in a couple of days. Okay, but the problem is, I just want to style this input. So it should behave something like this. It would be similar to this, just smaller, right? It would be here. But for some reason, when I go to the quick blocks.blade, which is resources, view, Livewire, quick blocks, right? And I go into that input, it's not recognizing the classes, the filament. Whoa, are you telling me it's not recognizing BG red anymore? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's reloading, right? It should be. And yeah, just the differences are not applying. Yeah, it's weird. Hello, Targetex. Welcome back. Welcome back. He's asking, is every day you live stream? Well, not every day, but I'm trying to, as I just come to develop, to program this piece of software, it will always be live. So almost every day, I think, I don't know, maybe 3 to 4 times a week, maybe I can do that. Probably, yeah. So Alberto is saying, maybe you need to add the path of the template inside tailwind config. I think that's done already. That's why I was so intrigued, because theme CSS is importing from Filament, right? And it has the config directive, which should have it here, right? So it's weird to me. I think this, because this was the default theme installation, custom theme. I followed these steps, right? And that's it. I don't remember the exact name of Tailwind configuration file. What do you mean? It's tailwind.config.js, and here we have the relative path from the root, right? Every files on vendor Filament that end with blade.php, that would be the base file. This is the base input in Filament. So this would be not purged, the classes that it find. And also resources views and app, right? Yeah, so that file exactly. So I don't know what's going on. And I was thinking I knew because this happened to me before, and with this setup everything works, but no, it's not working. Yeah, it's merging the existing ones. It's merging with the ones below, but yeah, Alpine is not changing anything in the class. Let me remove this console log. Okay. I guess we can clean this up already. We're not going to use the file as a base64 string. Okay, so wait for the upload component file pond to be initialized. Didn't find a way to listen to when that happens. Okay, and then yeah, exactly, perfect. Let's wait 7 seconds for it to start. Okay, so this quick block file, I don't know why, what's happening. I can delete everything, save. Yeah, nothing happens. Come on. Why? And I'm here for 20 minutes looking at this. Cannot believe it. Well, it won't be like this, right? I can't stay all this time. I guess I'll try to find it offline. This is very boring. So if I were to do class and I don't know, something that doesn't exist. BG. So yeah, so red 400 exists? No. 500? No. 600 exists. Because it exists somewhere on the library. But 500 it doesn't. I don't know why. Before it recognized. So 500, this file is not being considered. Why is that? I can even delete this file. I mean, it will be the CSS for the front end, but yeah. So Vite compiles it. And that theme.css file is importing correctly. from Filament. I don't know what's going on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I paused, npm run dev again, and nope. But yeah, I won't waste any more time. Not my time, not your time. Let's, now it works. 400. Okay. No. Just 400, now it works again. 300. 500, it doesn't. I can't understand why 400 didn't work and now it does. But 500 doesn't, and it should at the same time, right? It's nuts. I don't know. The problem is that the Tailwind does not recognize the template. I reboot my system and I watch a similar project. I need to change OS. Wow. Is that Tailwind does not recognize the template. But it should, right? Yeah, for sure it's not recognizing. But Tailwind config app. No, it's in resources and it's play.php. Resources, views, whoop. Asterisk means any amount of folders in the middle, right? And every file that ends in .play.php, which is the case of this one. Really, I don't understand. What if I were to remove this? Okay, it works. The file is this one. But it's not working. I don't know. Let's keep going. I cannot wait for this. I'm sorry, I cannot wait for this. So, okay, let's go and check the preview, shall we? This has to be 2 for later. I cannot be 1 hour trying this. It was half hour already, so yeah, there's a limit on that. Okay, sorry guys for the trouble. Of course, I'm hoping to hear any suggestions should you have them. So let's see just what did I change? Yeah, so these let's delete. And also, I changed some stuff here. Yeah. I'm just gonna go real quick and yeah, I don't need to change this. Okay, so that you see what's going on. I'm just committing. I changed a little bit this quick blocks file, so it doesn't matter. Just going to give it a whip. Okay, we have a suggestion. Alberto is saying to try this path. I will. So resources, views. So yeah, you want to be explicit, right? But I guess this should be already inside, but yeah, we never know. It can be tricky sometimes, right? Let's see the console as well, if there are no errors. No. Yeah, no errors. Yeah. Okay, So quick blocks, where is the, here we go. So class bg red 500. Does it work? Yeah, it doesn't. Now 400 works, 300 as well, 500 no. And even so, without nothing, look at all these classes. They should all be there. All of these. Hey Nick, how are you doing, man? Nice to see you again. Not so well today. I'm having a big fight with we are. Alberto is also giving some tips, but we are having some troubles with Tailwind config or some sorts of it, because you see all these files here, all these classes, they are on this input, but yeah, it doesn't have any style. So, and yeah, we can't find the way. I mean, it should be configured right here. Resources, views, yeah. But other than that, everything is perfect. It's just half hour wasted doing this. And how's your day going? Yeah, I was just about to give up and go to the next topic, or else, yeah, I don't want to be 1 hour trying to debug some weird behavior, because everything seems very well. Try run watch, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I'm running dev. Not sure if, I think watch it was previous. Yeah, with vit is just dev. I think watch was from Elixir, right? Try npm run watch, if remember correctly. Yeah, no, it's dev. I even run build. And, look. The content option in your Tailwind, how did I miss this? The content option in your Tailwind CSS configuration is missing or empty. What? Nick is saying everything fine. Maybe I can see something. Well, thank you, Nick. If you can, please. I just noticed now, because Alberto told me to try again. I guess this came when we... I mean, let me try to repeat. Maybe I did something wrong. So let's make a filament theme, and let's call it something else, not admin. Theme CSS already exists, so don't override it. No. Okay, so I will call it front shop. I will call it shop, just to make sure. Oh, you want to override theme.css. Okay, let's see. First, add a new item of vit. Yeah. Oh, it was very weird. It didn't want to. It didn't want to make another theme, so it was like rewriting this one, and it did the same, right? What was here before? Yeah, just inside the filament folders. But I removed and make like this. Try to add the path and rerun npm dev. Yeah, that's what I've done. Here is not complaining that it's not filled up. Something's very, very weird. As a matter of fact, let me try to composer update. Oh, and everyone, if anyone was using Filament in production, there's a update that fixes a security fix. There's a security fix going on after 3.3.4. So now this latest release fixes it. So please go ahead and check that. Okay, I think we upgraded a lot. Yeah. Okay. So npm. So let's make the filament theme called shop. It shouldn't want to override, but it does. I don't know why. But yeah, let's say I don't want just inside filament. I want all resources views on the template, right? So then it has to have an input in vidconfig.js, and it does already. Vidconfig.js, so resources, CSS, filament, admin, theme. So yeah, I will even paste all the complete file just to check if everything is all right. Just removing the path to the project. Yeah, everything is similar, the same. Right? Right. Same. Same, no changes. Yeah. And then in the admin panel provider with theme, register the theme. And I've done that. So providers, filament, admin panel provider, filament theme. So resources, CSS, filament, resources, CSS, filament, admin, theme. I'm totally sure I did something wrong, right? It can't be this tool. Everyone should know it by now, I guess. But the truth is, theme.css is there, right? Resources, CSS, filament, admin, theme. The file is here. It's not considering that as content. And you know what? I'm just having the idea of putting the Tailwind in, because if I do npm run build, then it's saying the content option is missing or empty. The content section, is this using off the screen? Okay, now it is. The content section of your Tailwind config.js file is where you configure the path. Content. It's a root property on the content. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing wrong. Maybe it conflicts with present. Huh. How can we? Let me check if this is just doing a small sanity check. So npm run dev. Okay. So public, I'll delete the build. Okay, the dev is running. I'll go to the quick blocks. Let me close all the files. They are just maybe using space, no need. So class bg red 500, we know it's not there. It didn't load. So if I go to the configuration, safe list, right? I can say these classes, always compile them. Yeah, it's not. It's not here. I don't know. I'll stop the compilation. I'm gonna go and copy this file to the root directory. Just so it's there. But it shouldn't be like this. So npm run build, yeah. Because the module is ... Okay, so it found this file. It didn't complain. So I'm going to delete the one and tailwind.config.js npm run dev. It's running. Okay. So the config file. It doesn't exist. Do you think this CSS is conflicting with this one? Okay, so now we know. So Alberto is saying, in my project, the tailwind file is in the root, but I use Laravel Mix, not Vite. Yeah. Thank you, Alberto, for checking. I know you had to reboot your computer to check on the project. Thank you for that. Okay. So this file does not exist, so slash no, of course not. Okay, so I'll just stop this nonsense, and okay, it shouldn't be there, so I'm gonna go and revert all changes and npm run dev, so it should be in the latest commit, and it is. Everything compiles, but the styles are not there. And what I'm going to do is to do not compile this CSS file. No, but it's the same. Tonight I can't write correctly. Don't worry, it happens. What really bums me is 45 minutes trying to find the tailwind file. This is beyond nonsense. Thank you guys for trying. Let's move on. Let's make something else. Let's at least see the render of some page. Yeah? Okay. So let's go. Let's put a preview and see this. Yeah. So, okay. Let's go into Livewire. I'm thinking in the content manager, which is the manager, the top level. So let's go to the view, to its view, and in the top near the stackable content editor, maybe let's put a button. Whoa, what's happening? Whoa, my editor is not responding. Hello, hello. Hello. npm run dev. Whoa, the buttons are in this. Yeah. Okay, I have to restart PHP Storm. It seemed like it wanted to go away a little. Okay, so this is another project. Let's go. Okay, so let's go into Content Manager. Yeah, and near the stackable content editor, let's put the button, X filament button, right? Yeah, Nick, today is not my day, man. I should just have gone to drink a beer or something instead of wasting 1 hour. Okay, so let's do a preview. Maybe this button should be outlined as outlined, is it? Yeah. I don't know, so maybe leave class, whoop, flex, and I was thinking one in each end of the page, so 2 elements and justify between. Is it? Ouchie, ouchie. Ah, because it's so big. Right. Oh no. MY12. MY12. So it would also need the MY. But I guess what we can do is, let's move it up. And if all goes well, yeah. There it is. So we'll click on preview and we'll preview the thing, right? Maybe let's do it in a modal, right? And what? And nothing, and that's it. So how could I build a modal here? I was thinking if doing a filament action, but no, I don't think it's needed. So what we could do is like have another component, or this is the model with a trigger, right? Let me check. I don't remember from memory. So there's the model blade component. Yeah, this is it. So we have a model. In the slot called trigger, we will put whatever we want to be shown, and the model content will be there, and that's it. So if all goes well, this is the model, this is the trigger, and it should be the same. It is, but if I click now, we see a model. And we kind of do, but it's empty. So is it that? Refresh, preview. Yeah, great. So we start with preview. What else? We should have some slots, right? We can put the heading, which is preview. I'm not sure if this will take care of the dark mode as well, so let me just check. Yeah, it does. So great. I guess let's spare a line here. And yeah, that's it. So this model content, every time we open it, we refresh it, right? I'm thinking if should we make another Livewire component just for the render. because yeah, we are in a given content manager. I just don't want to pollute it so much more. So app, Livewire, content manager. Yeah, we're already dealing with adding blocks and removing blocks. I think the preview is not as big, but yeah. I think, yeah, we're going to go with another blade, with another component. Yeah, in Livewire 3, I heard already from a safe source that we can make as many as we want. There's not the problem like before in V2. So that's helpful. So let's go. Artisan make Livewire, and this will be a content preview, stackable content preview. Yeah, content manager, content preview makes sense. Content preview. That's it. Oh, we have an issue, which is all the state. Yeah, it won't be an issue. We have to save to preview, right? Each component has its state, and unless we render from each state, we have to save it. We have to persist it to database so we can click on preview later. So there's that to consider. But for now, let's just think about this. Not overthink, I think. Hey Nick, so I'm from Portugal. And you, where are you from? Did you tell me? No, I guess it was someone else from Norway, right? And where are you calling from? Okay, so yeah, so let's preview and that's it. So I think we won't even have this preview here. We're gonna go and delegate the preview function, so to speak, will be in the Livewire component, and the button will emit the event. So it will be simpler again here, and the modal will be here. From Germany. Oh, nice. I've been there. I enjoyed it a lot in Berlin, and I hope I can get back someday. Did you ever come to Portugal by any chance? It was a very fun time in Berlin. Very funny. Amazing. Funny and amazing. Fun and amazing. Okay, so Content Manager, we have this button that when we emit, when we click, we don't need to, we can dispatch, but not in Livewire. I guess we can do it still in the browser. Let's dispatch. Let's dispatch. Yeah, it could be the open modal, but no. I mean, maybe, yeah, because if we can listen x on equals, not x on, sorry, x on, yeah, x on open model. I guess we can have two listeners, right? So let's do console log, and here we refresh the component. Console.log, refresh. So I guess if we click, whoop. Ah, right, sorry, it misses the ID for the model to know how to respond. So I guess this is it. Click preview. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. So no, but maybe someday. Yeah, sure. Okay. I'm bugging. My brain is bugging. Okay, so open ID edit user, and we dispatch. Oh, damn it! Copilot, for so many times it has done this to me. We need to pass the property name. Exactly. That's it. So if all goes well, I click preview, and nothing happens again. Console.log, foo, and then we dispatch the open model. We see the foo, so dispatch open model with the ID content preview. Yeah, today is not my day at all. So X on open model. Not sure if it was on window, but yeah, the model is not opening. So, oh, silly me. I need to go to rest. So content preview, the Livewire component is still not on the page. So what did you expect, right? So at Livewire content preview, and let's pass the stackable content so we can know how to reload from database. I guess we can go ahead and put it directly. There we go. Preview. Okay, we have the model content. Cool. But we don't see this anymore. But I guess dispatch is a global event, so maybe now? Yay, now it does. Refresh, meaning we should now $refresh. So this will be open. Yeah, and how do I know that we refresh? We will, for now, output a blade with now. So if I were to click preview, whoop, error, $refresh is not defined. Of course not, because it's $wire, $refresh, right? So preview, yeah, 20, okay, 43, 443, 449, 452, yeah, it refreshes, so great. We also need a close button, at least, right? Oh, it's there. Oh, perfect. But yeah, we can display it immediately. Okay, let's go. So our stackable content, we need content preview we need the render method, right? How will we do that? So the stackable content. Okay, so let me check if it's, because it should be already. So stackable content, table plus. On each on the stackable content, which is the parent, I want to receive all the blocks. Now there is just one. So I can, for example, make a screenshot, paste an image. Here we go. We should have 2 blocks right now. Oh, I should save. Yeah, okay. So I should get it by the order 1, 2, and that's it. All our stackable contents and the blocks, and then each block will know how to render themselves. So let's go. I'm just gonna go in Ray to see the, oh, just one. So yeah, we need to, oh, now there is 2. Great. I didn't click before. So they update, and are they loading with the correct order? Yes, they are. So if all goes well, we can already start delegating to each block to render themselves. So we can just take this. Each content block will know how it is. So yeah, this will be pretty simple, it seems. Just here, it will be different then. So add for each content blocks as block. No Livewire needed. No. Ah, so this was going to make it editable again. Let's see if that's the case. Yeah, look how fun is this. We can now copy it again, right? I mean, edit on the blade. Okay. So if I were to change this, the preview would not be okay. But if I save, then it will. What? Image, input. Input image. No. How come is this? So, Ray, what was here before? Yeah. Content blocks, pluck, ID, right? There's the integer ID. So yeah. If I were to click preview, okay, I don't, that's why one feature I love about Ray is we can expand all, and also we don't need to see that boilerplate, we can say to array. Okay, 1524, meaning 15 is the text, 24 is the image. Okay. So 1524. Whoa, they are reversed. They don't care about the order. Why is that? It should be the same object in memory or not. If I were to save and preview, 1524 all the time. This is funny, kind of. Okay, how could I confirm it with a number, object number on memory, but also no. Let's just reload. Let's keep it simple. So we want to load content blocks. We want to load content blocks, but not like this. We want to customize the query, right? And order by sort. Okay, so if all goes well, let's clean it up. Oh, now it misses the array, so copy, Command Z until it comes back. Here we go. Here we go. Here we are. So let's load the relationship. Yeah, that's it. Refresh. So if I were to preview, let's clean up. Preview. 24:15. Great. Refresh. And if I preview, I expect the same. And it is. Only if I save, now I expect to see 15:24. And we do. Great. So we are one step closer to the preview. This reminds me of a Linkin Park song, which I love. Okay, so what else? What else we need to preview? We don't want to start a Livewire component. We just want to preview that block. Okay, so we have the input and the image. Basic text and image. Let's start with basic text. Yeah, we need to clean this up, like making a base component and keep this very minimal. We just want to expose, I mean, we can change it all, right? But we don't want having all this boilerplate. So, but let's not worry with that. So instead of render, that let's also preview, right? So resources, views, Livewire, blocks. Not sure. Maybe don't know if people will want to customize or not, but okay, let's keep it as a config. And this will be the preview view. Preview view. Preview template. Preview template. Yeah, and we're gonna go and use something like this, but block previews. What do you think? So there will be blocks and blocks previews. Maybe one folder per block doesn't make sense. 2 files on the, leaving along, I'm not sure. Basic text rich editor. Where is the other one? Oh, the image. Why is the image missing one? Haha. Yeah, this was funny enough. They're all the same on the right now. Everyone are the same on the stackable content when we're editing. So this is not good. So this is image block. That's it. Okay. And if all goes well, we now duplicate these and block previews. Not sure if I'm super happy with having block render. Renders, blocks, block renders, render blocks. No, but I want to keep it blocks, blocks, block renders, maybe. So if I were to go into this one, content preview, content manager, yeah. So this will be block renders. Okay, and now let's have a public static function, not render. Oh, right, it's called render again. So render HTML. Yeah, let's see. I hope it's not. Yeah, and we need to have the block item or the data already. Not sure. Render HTML data. Maybe. Let's see how it goes. Now I don't want. Where's the content preview? So yeah, this is going to be. Let's check. I want to share my process with you. So let's make Ray block. So yeah, the block is the model. And we have the block type. So we know the class. We've solved this before. Okay, so what we need is the content, and we need to pass this info this info into that class. Okay. So where did we solve this before? Where was it? Oh, it was the other way around. We added the block class and found the block type to persist on the database. Right? Did we have the other way around? Yeah. Which would be Livewire blocks. So this is the Livewire blocks. Yeah, let's just iterate on that. Sometimes I'm just can't see so much ahead. So what we're going to do is we're going to array the string. Whoop. out of that. Must be its value. It's not block, it's the block. Which was it? Block type, right? Block type. Hey guys, and say something. Are you enjoying? Any questions? Any suggestions? Everything is welcome. So we have a basic text block. We want to uppercase all. Oh, sorry. There's a new Laravel string helpers. I guess there's exactly a new helper for that. Numbers. Oh yeah, there's the string method directly. Was it the APA? APA was it? So following the APA guidelines. I don't remember what is this. Title case capitalization. No. We want the UC uppercase words, right? UC words on all of them. Not upper. No. You see all of them, I think. Whoa. You see first. I want to capitalize. Capitalize. Is it headline? No. This would be making spaces, right? But it's okay, because then we remove the spaces, and it's what we want, right? What's similar to this? Kebab. LC first. Oh, no. Nothing like that. Mask. What is squish? I like squish. Oh, right. Nice. Removes all extraneous spaces. String swap. Tacos, burritos. Great to fantastic. Title. We want title, right? Is it different from... Still not title. It feels the same. Well, it doesn't put the space as in the headline, but it's okay. I was thinking there was a capitalize every word. I don't want to be exploding, capitalizing, etc., etc. It's not better, I think. So, yeah, we need to find the class here. So, we're gonna go and need some PHP here. I don't think it's needed to make a class just for all of that. So, we're gonna go and title, and we're gonna replace dashes by nothing. And if all goes well, we have the class name. So class, not name, but base name, right? And if all goes well, the class name will be, whoa, Copilot is helping a lot. So app view Livewire, okay, not a lot, but something. App Livewire blocks class base name, but I guess block it's already there. So yeah, it doesn't see much benefit in, yeah. Okay, so what's going to happen? Yeah, Ray class. Okay, refreshing. It all seems well. So this is a view component, yeah, but doesn't matter because there's the preview template, there's the render HTML, there is data. So I'm gonna go with yeah, when we're saving, yeah. So this is the render for preview. For the editing. This is the final render, right? Render the preview, render the template. Yeah, it's not block renders, it's block templates. Render template. With data. And I'm gonna go and it needs a hook where we can maybe edit the things after we expand. So let's make so transform data on load. And yeah, if nothing else, it will be the same. If you want to do something, you'll have the opportunity to do it there. And we're going to return view with static preview template. Whoa, preview template, not with data, but with static transform on load data. Great. Seems okay. So this is view. This is data. And yeah, sounds about right. What do you say? So this is if you want to make something with the data when loading from database. Only at the runtime. And if all goes well, not here. Yeah, it's still not being called. And block templates, let's say basic text block. Image block and rich editor. Whoop. Rich editor block. Oh, and 1 hour and a half already. So I think we are good to go in a couple of minutes. So if all goes well, when we'll be rendering, let's ditch the Livewire components because we don't need that. Let's just keep it for the sake of a couple of minutes. Just maybe we need to revive that. Don't think so, but okay. So when we output this, we will call on the class on the static method, there's call static, is it? Call static. I don't remember what's that, but this is PHP. It's a dynamic language, very dynamic, so this is great. So we want to render the template. Wow, I'm not going to add all that thing. We're just going to go and render the template by providing the data, and render the template by providing the block content. Block content. So if all goes well, we are not trying that anymore, and we have a problem. So Livewire block renders, yeah, we changed the name, that's why. So basic text block, so hopefully it works. Block templates, image block doesn't have, but that's cool. Cool. Did anyone here sees Brooklyn Nine-Nine? Cool. Jay Peralta, it's the best. I mean, there are many other TV shows that are the best, but yeah, Jake Peralta was very cool. Okay, so image block. Let's go and put the template, which is called image block. Let's go ahead and do the same with the rich editor. Let's do this free. So rich editor block. Okay. Yes, render template does not exist, but don't worry, it will exist. And for now, yeah, these functions will be hidden, right? And we will override them when needed. Maybe just to change, or maybe if we want to do something real hacky, we are going to expand on that. This will be on a trait or on a subclass, something like that. So if all goes well, shada! We are seeing something. Yay! Oh, and we will, because we need to know where is this from. Okay. So preview, we see nothing. Why? Why? Oh, because res equal, and now I want an array res from result, and if all goes well, yeah, we have a view which is ready, which it's almost rendered. We just need to call render. I'm being very explicit over here. Of course, I could call that right here, but yeah, let's keep it like so. Ah, damn it. PHP. Oh, no. Nothing like that. We need... Oh, and this will call to string, so I think we can do something like this. If the name is not reserved, right? So preview, yay, here we go. Woohoo! 1 hour and a half, but we got somewhere. Half of this time was trying to debug some CSS thing that I wasn't able. But yeah, I'm happy with this. So we can go on the image block, and on the image block we need to what's the name of the thing? Yes, Alberto, finally, right? Okay, so the basic text block. Yeah, I need to see the data. So how do we see the data? We go to the basic text block and we see content, right? So the basic text block on the template, can we go there with auto-completion? No, that would be very cool, but it's not. Okay, so we have the key which is called content, and we have data which is called data. Oh, so the variable is called content already. Not sure if it's the best, but let's see. It will be a little bit cryptic, right? 1, 2, 3, hello world. Yay, it works. Probably yes. Most likely yes. Save, preview. Yeah, it works. So good. But yeah, it's very cryptic. It's like content will be don't like this. So we're gonna go and change this to content. Yeah, much better. Just in terms of if I come here, oh, but content is content. So block data. So just data, is it not colliding with anything? So data, I'm gonna go, I don't even like it like this. Let's say data get, block, data get. It's not on the block, it was called data. And it was called content. Great. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go with this. Data, maybe block data. It will be much less cryptic. Maybe it's more boring, but I think I can see myself coming back to the code in 3 months and yeah, I know what's going on. Right? It feels that way. So I'm gonna go with that feeling and advance to image block. And this will be the same. I have to abstract these on the next one. And what we're going to do is we're going to transform data and the image block file upload is called data. So no, let's call it image. It will fail now, no problem. So we are going to change data set. Yeah, let's paste the image. And where was that? Some image. Here we go. Let's delete this one. Okay, saving. So we can now dataset, whoops, not this, dataset, data, image, and the value will be asset, data, image. Yeah, but I don't like to use array access, and I just got used to use this safe getter, and life feels better after that. That's it. Okay, so maybe if all goes well, we were to preview. Whoa, right? So let's array data. Let's array data here. Let's, whoa, just close the content preview. Come here, where you were. Where is the array basic text block on 70? Here we go. So closing this. whoops, not search and refresh. Okay, yeah, great. So if all goes, but this is not an asset, this is in the public disk, right? So it should be in public storage. No, it's still not. So let's just go in artisan storage link. Okay. And now, as we saved the file on the default location, we do the same. But I think it's not that. It will be in the storage. Yeah. So it's storage. Come on, why am I... Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. It's not asset, it's storage. No, file, storage. Storage. Disk is the default, so let's make the URL to the data get data image if all goes well. Let's see, and it does. So this is the path, not the path, it's the URI, right? So it was sort of okay. Come on. Okay, so it's too much, so image link, and image link equals to all of that. It will be the asset on this URL. So if all goes well, I think it's this. Yeah, let's see if all goes well. No, it didn't still. So image block, let's go. Hopefully yes. Resources, views, Livewire, block templates, image block. Let's edit the basic text just to copy this. And right here, we're going to do it very naive. Yeah, it's image source, exactly. Yeah, we are missing the alternate text, but yeah, that will come along when we put it all together. Yay! Done. So, if I were to add another picture, I don't know, let's come here, let's find, whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's find this image and gonna paste. Whoop, what's the error? Is it too big? Maybe it is too big. Let's just, or let's zoom out, right? I'm guessing it's the size because this is a large canvas and I don't want to go and mess with that right now. Yeah, we can. Oh, so this is a behavior not so good because if it doesn't go well, maybe it should disappear. Yeah, and it was the size. So if I were to save and preview, here we go. We just need the one for the rich editor, which will be very similar to the basic text. So, and we'll finish with that. So if you have any questions or any comments you want to make, go ahead. We'll be finishing in short time. Whoa. So it was here already. So block templates, rich editor block, but the data function shouldn't, Yeah, it's not the same. Tuk, tuk. There we go. And now this is rich editor. Let's call it content. Let's call it content, and then oh, the other image block, no, it's not. Okay, I was thought it was outputting a dump. It's not anymore, so let's copy this here. Perfect. Let's continue typing some text. Here we go. I'm gonna go and save it and preview. And here we go. But now we have this issue. Yeah, and this is user-generated content, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do something. So Alberto is saying, no, all fine. I'm curious to watch all the code. I missed the first live. Oh, the first, you mean the first? Or, today you didn't miss anything. I was half an hour trying to find it, so. Yes, Alberto, that's something it would solve it. But this comes with the risk of cross-site scripting, if I'm not mistaken. So I was thinking we could do it other way, which would be a div with, it could be on the top, but it could be XHTML. XHTML equals, X data. So the content would be at JS. It would be this. Because this can be generated, this could be used not only by us, but maybe other users. And I think if we find Laravel with this, it will how can we find it? Escaping, it's views, not views, blade templates, and then now I can, displaying unescaped data. If you do not want your data to be escaped, you may use the following syntax. The problem is, it's all good if it's like our own platform, because we won't do anything malicious, but this is a vector that people try to exploit. So this is why I'm not going to do that. But if we do that in Alpine, I think we're safe, because any script loaded here will be, if there's a script somewhere down the line, if someone puts it on the text box, then it will be escaped by Alpine. Pretty much sure. And let's check that out later. Here we go. Let's see. Preview. Yeah. And if we were to put this as heading, here we go. Let's do some rendering. Gonna go and save it and preview. Whoop. Save. Preview. So maybe, I don't know what I did, but yeah. So now we miss the styles, right? Because the markup must be there, and it is H2 and paragraph, but we still didn't style it, but that's for some other next time. So Alberto is saying, I missed the first 3 live shows. Oh, okay. So feel free. Any questions you might have, come along and tell me something. If you have something to say or share or ask. Nice. So yeah, I can see me already doing the first blog post here. Yeah, just need some styling and shada, and should be done. Yeah, amazing. And of course, we'll have many blocks like code editor, YouTube video embed, lots of stuff. If you add alert test, you know the deal, yeah. Let's do it. So we need to /script, and we'll add alert test like this, right? Save, and if I were to refresh, we don't see a test, but for some reason I think only on the second click. Yeah, so you see things got escaped because they are done later down the line. But in fact, I was expecting to see something else here. But yeah, no script. No alert test. But if I were to do something like this, I guess we would see that. Because now there's the script. Yeah. I think you asked the same. No, still not. Still not, because it's an Alpine component. Okay, let me do the test. So this would be a div. /div, I made a mistake here. Okay, this would be here, and later down the line, let's make something else, not inside an Alpine directly, at least. Saving. The Laravel query builder uses PDO parameter binding. Oh, there is no need to clean or sanitize strings passed to the query builder as query bindings. Oh, smart. I was here all time thinking, that it would be an error. So sorry, Alberto. I was thinking, I think this was not the case, maybe, I think, before. Most likely it wasn't, but I'm not sure. Can be wrong. So maybe let's check database, see what we get. Right. So script tags are already encoded. Lower than character and greater than character. So yeah, that's it. Perfect. Cross-site scripting. Well, I'm not going to answer from memory, but I think this is how they would inject code that they want. Like they would call other servers from their own to get some data out of our application. I guess it would be that. Yeah, which it's a type of injection in which malicious scripts Yeah, totally. Laravel totally spoiled us. If we go to make a web app in some other language, that we have the power, if doing nothing for us, we can do anything. I will shoot myself in the foot for sure. XSS, XSS attacks occur when an attacker uses a web application to send malicious code, generally in the form of a browser-side script, to a different end user. So I think this is exactly the vector that they would do. They would put something here like a script with their own code, right? So yeah, really happy for this. I was unhappy with Yannick. I think that's the thing. Okay, so it started pretty bad with 45 minutes of unsuccessful debugging, but that's life, I think. So yeah, so this is the first rendering. Yay. And let's call it a day. Really cool. Still there is no name. Maybe I'm gonna go and open source it. I don't know if people want to play with it already. I don't know if I would want, if this would be from someone else, right? Unless I can install it and use it myself. Maybe someone wants to develop. I don't know if that's the case, to help with something, but yeah, I wouldn't want to put it with this name, but yeah, let's see. It's maybe too soon. So guys, I want to thank you everyone. Nick, Alberto, at least you are, there are more people, they are just not speaking, so they don't have to, but yeah, I like to interact with everyone. So Nick, Alberto, thank you so much for joining, everyone who joined before and watching after. I hope you're enjoying. And yeah, Alberto saying maybe it's an alternative to Fabricator, is too slow. Well, it can be. Maybe, yeah, I think it's up to you. I'm not trying to make any kind of competition. It's ZDocs building it. I was speaking with him before. He's a great guy. Also, the TipTap plugin from Adam is also doing some sorts of like the territory is more or less the same. I'm just building this because none of the solutions until now solved my use case. So probably it also fits other people, and I will be happy if that's the case. So I'm not seeing this as alternative to X or Y. It's just solving one specific problem that, yeah, that I don't see solved anywhere else, or I would be using it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you as well, Nick, Alberto. Bye-bye, everyone, and I hope to see you soon. Hopefully tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't know for sure now, but we'll see. Thank you so much, guys. Happy coding. Ciao.